सो यू टॉक अबाउट द पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन। इवोल्यूशन की बात करें तो एशियन टाइम में सभा समिति होती थी, फिर वैदिक पीरियड में भी मेंशन है पीआरआई का, लोकल गवर्नेंस का, फिर लिटिल रिपब्लिक्स बात की है। मेगास्थीनीज ने who was an ambassador in the Chandragupta Maurya, he talks about the little republics. It was nothing but the Panchayati Raj institution kind of body. Then Mayo and Rapid Resolution decentralization. Then Mahatma Gandhi were in the favor of the Panchayati Raj institution that villages should be a self-sufficient little republic, and where there is a no hierarchy, and real development can take place only with the help of Panchayati Raj institution. So महात्मा गांधी ने क्या बोला था, दैट राम राज्य कैन नॉट बी स्टैब्लिश विदाउट ग्राम स्वराज्य। जब तक ग्राम को स्वराज्य नहीं दोगे, मतलब ऑटोनॉमी नहीं दोगे, राम राज्य जो है स्टैब्लिश नहीं हो सकता। सो पीआरआईज के बारे में आता है तो वी मस्ट नो द डिबेट बिटवीन महात्मा गांधी, अम्बेडकर एंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो महात्मा गांधी क्या चाहते थे कि नो डेवलपमेंट कैन टेक प्लेस विदाउट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पीआरआई, और द ट्रू डेवलपमेंट शुड बी टेक प्लेस एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल। एंड अम्बेडकर वर अगेंस्ट इट एज दे बिलीव दैट इट विल बी अ source of caste, that it's caste ridden society, so it will cause exploitation of the vulnerable section if we provide democracy at the grassroots level. Jawaharlal Nehru talk about the mediation, that no democracy can take place at the central level until it is at the grassroots level. So mediation में इसको डाला गया DPSP में. It was not made a fundamental right, it was not made a compulsory provision, but it was a directive to the state. So we talk about the foundation of the present local self-government in India was laid by the Panchayati Raj system in 1992. But the history of the Panchayati Raj starts from the self-sufficient self-governing village communities in the time of the Rig Veda 1700 BC. Evidence suggests the self-governing village body called Sabha existed. Panchayats were functional institution of grassroots governance in almost every village. They endured the rise and fall of the empire in the past to the currently highly structured system. Local self-government implies the transfer of the power to the rule to the lowest rungs of the political order. So transfer of the power to rule to the lowest rung of the political order. It is a form of democratic decentralization with the participation of even the grassroots level of the society ensured in the process of administration. To conclude, local self-government is one of the most innovative governance change process our country has gone through. It is the most innovation governance change process that our country has gone through. The notable idea of taking the government of a country into the hands of the grassroots level is indeed praiseworthy. However, like any other system, there is also imperfection. Problem of maladministration, misappropriation of the fund are recurring, but this shall not stand in the way of efficient governance. And if all the ill practices are rooted out, then would no comparison around the world to our system of local self-government. So in Jharkhand, there is a bent on eliminating the decentralized governance systems. Decentralized governance system क्या हो रहा है, eliminate किया जा रहा है, and it is being replaced by development committees. So it is done by establishing village and tribal development committees. So in Jharkhand, state government is pushing for such a parallel governance system which is unconstitutional and unlawful. Jharkhand एक unsuccessful example है जहाँ पे parallel governance system are being set up and which is clearly unconstitutional and unlawful. जहाँ पे पैराडॉक्स दिखा सकते हैं, झारखंड में स्ट्रेस है स्टैगरिंग फेलियर एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड असम और केरला इट इज़ सक्सेसफुल। तो झारखंड में पंचायत बहुत बुरी तरह फेल हुई, वहाँ पे वुमेन डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ हंगर, बिकॉज आधार लिंक नहीं था, एंड आधार पंचायती राज का फेलियर, तो पंचायती राज ने उसका आधार लिंक नहीं कर पाया, दैट्स वाई शी फेल्ड बिकॉज शी कुड नॉट गेट द राशन थ्रू PDS सिस्टम। द खेतरी ग्राम पंचायत ऑफ असम वेयर देयर इज 100% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी, 100% immunization of children, and this is first digital gram panchayat of Assam, first digital gram panchayat of Assam, that is Khethri gram panchayat Assam. So 1952 का community development program miserably failed, तो बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी बनाएगी। मेहता से बोला कुछ बोलो, तो मेहता ने क्या बोला, मेहता ने बोला कि because there is a bureaucratic implementation and there is a lack of local self governance. सो पैराडॉक्स क्या क्या पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है, तो पॉजिटिव है डेमोक्रेटिक डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन हुआ है, बॉटम अप अप्रोच है, पार्टिसिपेटरी है, पीपल आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग, ग्रास रूट लेवल डेमोक्रेसी है, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट हो रहा है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ वुमेन, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ वनरेबल सेक्शन SC/ST, तो सोशल इंक्लूजन हो रहा है, इवन देयर वॉइस इज हर्ड। फिर लीडर क्वालिटीज़ आ रही हैं, लीडर टाइप की क्वालिटीज़ आ रही है मीन वुमेन इन वनरेबल सेक्शन, तो देयर इज एफिशिएंट डिलीवरी ऑफ द सर्विस, अकाउंटेबिलिटी है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। तो एस्टर डफलो अलॉन्ग विद अभिजीत बनर्जी, तो ये फ्रेंच अमेरिकन इकोनॉमिक्स है, इन्होंने काम किया है पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन डेवलपमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स एट MIT। शी इज को फाउंडर को डायरेक्टर ऑफ अब्दुल लतीफ़ जमील पॉवर्टी एक्शन लैब, दैट इज अब्दुल लतीफ़ जमील पॉवर्टी एक्शन लैब जो इस्टेब्लिश 2003 में। शी इज को फाउंडर ऑफ Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab 2003. So the co-founder Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab. Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab. तो इसमें कौन है? एस्टर दुफ्लो, अभिजीत बनर्जी एंड बेंजामिन ओकेन एंड इकबाल धालीवाल. So एस्टर दुफ्लो, अभिजीत बनर्जी. Esther Duflo and Abhijit Banerjee. Esther Duflo has done phenomenal work in studying the condition of PRIs in India. So she has done phenomenal work in understanding the impact of PRI, particularly in India. So understanding the impact of PRI, particularly in India. So she is a co-founder or co-director of Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab. So there are some of the findings of the Esther Duflo. That is better reporting of crime and representation of women in political sphere, better identification of the beneficiaries, greater investment in drinking water, sanitation and social infrastructure. So wherever the sarpanch is being from SC community, एक finding देखी है एस्टर दफ्लो ने, where the sarpanch is from ST community, investment has happened in the public good. Public good is public good, the things that is required for living a decent life, and public participation had strengthened the democracy. So एक और फाइंडिंग है इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कास्ट एंड जेंडर. इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कास्ट एंड जेंडर. तो फिर जब भी ये सारी न्यूज़ में आती है तो हमें देखना है कहाँ पे ये चीज़ें यूज़ हो सकती हैं. वी हैव टू नोट इट डाउन. तो बड़ा प्राइज़ मिला हो, फॉर एग्जांपल नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला हो, तो देखो उसने कुछ ऐसा काम किया है जो इंडिया में आप किसी आंसर में कोट कर सकते हो, या स्पेशली इंडिया के रिस्पेक्ट पे कुछ काम किया है, तो इतना ब्रीफ आइडिया होना चाहिए. सो देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सरपंच पति, दैट वुमेन इज जस्ट अ फेस and the real power hold by their husbands. Then there is a problem of 3F, that is funds, function and functionaries. That is, funds are not devolved by the central government, they are not allowed to raise the revenue. And function, the function are not clearly defined and not devolved. All the 29 functions are properly devolved. And functionaries, there is no required training and proper function, they do not have a proper functionary and there is no required training. सो हरियाणा में यहाँ पे समोसा बात ट्रेनिंग होती है कि वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग में बुलाते हैं, समोसा बातें बातें करते हैं, बस भेज देते हैं, तो इस नाम की ट्रेनिंग होती है. बैड एग्जाम्पल. सो केरला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छे से प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. सक्सेसफुल एग्जाम्पल केरला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सो राजस्थान में देयर वाज अ वुमेन, वो सरपंच बनी. फिर क्या हुआ, अगले 5 साल में ST के लिए रिजर्व था, सरपंच बन गई ST सरपंच. लेकिन फिर क्या हुआ, अगले साल रिजर्व नहीं था. देन शी वाज स्टिल ट्रीटेड बैडली फ्रॉम द लोअर कास्ट. So still the representation has not ensured their social upliftment. So even after providing the reservation in the representation, their social status in the society has not improved. So there's a social status in that society in clear terms has not improved. So elitism hai, the better off are acquiring power in the Panchayati Raj institution. It is not actually reaching to the lowest rung of the society where the reservation is not provided, and PESA is not properly implemented, which could be the very successful example, has not properly implemented, and MP-LAD cause hindrance at the local governance. So Rajiv Gandhi 1985, to respect the 100 years of a formation of INC, decided to develop 3 tiers. This is Jawaharlal Nehru developed 2 tier. So now the Indian Constitution developed 2 tiers. So now they decided to develop 3 tier of the governance in 1985. And Rajiv Gandhi and Manish Iyer, इनके बीच में conversation हुआ था. तो राजीव गांधी said that it will take 1 generation to understand the PRI and further more time for the effective implementation of PRI. So अभी भी ये conversation relevant है. So there was a conversation between close associate of Rajiv Gandhi, Manish Shankar Iyer and Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi said it will take around 25 years to conceptualize the concept of PRI and another 25 years to make it a success. And then we'll get Panchayati Raj Institution 3.0. तो 1 Panchayati Raj Institution 1 क्या था, when the Panchayat start forming first in Nagaur district of Rajasthan, and then second PRI 2.0 था when it get a constitutional status, and Panchayati Raj 3.0 the Panchayati Raj that we want it to be, the ideal Panchayati Raj system that we aspire to achieve. So what should be done to improve the Panchayati Raj? They should give in potential or power to raise their own revenue, and the recommendation of 40 Finance Commission should be implemented, and that is core function of the Panchayati Raj need to be devolved, and parallel agency should not be created, and there should be clarity with respect to role. There should be clarity with respect to the roles of the 3 tier of the government. So proper training should be provided through proper training institute, and rather than mere face, lower caste and women must make the agent of the social change at the grassroots level. what should be done? They should know the art of activity mapping कि कहाँ कहाँ क्या काम है पूरे village में, art of activity mapping. And political will should be there, ability to ensure financial autonomy, role of the Gram Sabha in implementation of the scheme should be ensured, and direct fund transfer to the Gram Panchayat should be done and mandated to generate their own resources. So urban cluster होने चाहिए with the rural facility in urban areas, and awareness generation at the local level, and devolution of 3 other fund function and functionaries. So democracy is the government by the people, for the people, and of the people. So real democracy can come only with a successful implementation of Panchayati Raj Act. So democracy of the people, by the people, for the people. If you want a real democracy or inclusive development, growth, development, everything, so democracy is by the people, for the people, of the people. So inclusive development growth, for the inclusive development growth, PRI need to be successful. So one size fit approach is not working in India. Nagaland, women are not allowed to act, as there is a special provision under Article 371 for the Nagaland, where Nagaland all the act cannot be implemented in Nagaland that affect the cultural and religious practice. So there is no one size fit all approach in India, as India is a very diverse country. So if they frame the policy at the top level, so chances of success at the local level is very less. So you have to go for the bottom approach. For example, it's seeking the diversity of India. Nagaland culture do not allow women to contest election. So for example, we have seen Assam में Khetri Gram Panchayat. There is a successful example of this, but these kind of success have not been seen at all India level. Therefore, we can say it is a remarkable success and a staggering failures. It is a combination of the both. Staggering मतलब होता है that you find difficult to believe. हैरत अंगेज, staggering. This staggering failure.